Good morning, everybody. Tim Martin here, Sticks Fishing Channel, and out here on Caney River today. So be kayaking. Hopefully catch some fish, right?
We haven't the last few times.
Haven't caught any fish down here kayaking yet, so gonna try it out. Got my friend Richard from Better Days. He's got a YouTube channel. Check it out. I'll link it today in the description. Yeah, got a 10-foot and 8-foot kayak, so let's see if we can go catch some fish. Doo-doo. Oh, I got a fish. Looks like I got a fish. Oh, I got a pretty good fish. Oh my God, look at this pole. I got a drum. First fish in the kayak. Here we go. Little drum. Where in the hell? I can't find nothing in this kayak. Nothing. I got shit everywhere. It's driving me crazy. That didn't take long. Good God, how am I gonna get this hook out of here? Come on out, hook. Can't get the damn hook out. There we go. There's a little drummer. He's ready to on. Don't you stick me. Nah, a little bass, little white bass.
Oh, really? I'll be damned. Yeah, rooster tail. Awesome. Cool.
Went right in that swift water. I was like,
oh, is that where he come from?
Yeah.
Let me get off of here.
Had a bite. Got him. Got me a trout. There we go, my first rainbow here. Come back here. There we go. First rainbow. It's a stalker, it looks like it. It's so pretty though.
Look at you. Brown trout.
Sure is. Damn, that's the first one I've ever caught. First ever brown trout, guys. Check them out. Check them out. Brown trout. He's got brown spots on him. He's a little guy, but he is pretty. Check it out. There you go, buddy. Got him. Got a good one. About fell in. Oh, it's a good one. There we go. Got me a rainbow, baby. If I can hang on to him. Hold on, buddy. There he goes. I couldn't hold on to it.
I love trout, man.
I could not hold on to him.
So, do you know, was that a rainbow?
That was a rainbow.
He's a bite right now. There he is.
They're on like what is it? Another brown trout. There we go. Hold on, little buddy. Another brownie. Richard! Another brown.
You got a brown?
Little brown trout. Got one. He's coming up. He's coming up the jump. Let's see what we got, guys. He's swimming to me. He looks like he's a pretty good fish. Rainbow. Nice rainbow too. Calm down, buddy. Just calm down. Calm down, buddy. He is so slimy. Rainbow trout, guys. Rainbow, check him out. Pretty good size too. It's pretty. See if he's gonna jump right in my hands. Watch. There we go. Wow, check that dude out. Look at this. Look at the spots on him. I don't know. That don't look like a rainbow. I don't know what a brook trout looks like, so. Here we go, guys. Fish on, fish on. It's a good one. A good one. It's a rainbow, another rainbow. Hey, I'll be wearing these fish out today. These guys. Ew. Another rainbow. He is shaking. He don't want to come up. Let's see what we got. It's gonna be a trout. It's gonna be a good trout too. Oh shit, a bluegill. A bluegill. Second bluegill, but look at him. If I can get the damn hook out. Check it out. It's a good size right there. Oh shit, he just stabbed me. Oh, there's a bite. And a fish on. Just a little guy. Big old bluegill. Monsters out here today. Check that dude out. Just pissing on me. Where's my hook? Oh, he swallowed the hook completely, so. Swallowed the hook. Bam. Oh, got a fish on. He's a fighter. Another bluegill. Another huge bluegill. And he ate the hook. Come on, guys. Another bluegill.
Bluegill. Is that a bluegill?
Yeah.
Check it out.
Fish on, guys. I got a good one too. Another bluegill? How did he eat this? How in the hell did I put a bigger hook on there so I wouldn't catch some more bluegill? But yeah, that didn't work. Because these bluegill are huge. Look how big that one is. I mean, dang. You can put your finger in his mouth. Look. Oh shit. It's gonna stab me. Whompers. Whomper chompers. Good God, look what he did. This thing hit the water and the fish got on it.
Oh, really? You've got... No, what is it? A brown trout. How the hell are you going to catch 4 brown trout?
It hit the water and he hit it.
Yeah, I know. It's like it was waiting for it to hit the water.
He's got something in his mouth.
Yeah, what is that? Oh, he's been eating shad.
His little baby shad he got. Alright, Mr. Brown. Alright guys. Had an amazing day today fishing. Caught a crap ton of trout. Caught four or 5 brown trout. I've never caught them. So that's pretty cool. Caught rainbow trout, bluegill, drum, white bass. I think I caught a little bit of everything. So hope y'all enjoyed it, and like and subscribe, guys.